everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Picot Stitch border. So this is a very fun border to learn. It's also very quick and it's perfect for beginners. So for this tutorial, I am just using my practice swatch. So I made this swatch using the Picot Stitch. You can also just use your current project if you need a border. And for a hook, I am just using a 4.0mm crochet hook, and the yarn I'm using is by We Crochet and it's their Dishy yarn line. This is the color Inlet, and then for my swatch, I use the color Swan. All right, so let's get started with our tutorial. Okay, so the first step in making the Picot Stitch border is to add our second color yarn. Now, if you're just going to use the same color, you can go ahead and skip this step. So to add our second color yarn, you just want to take your crochet hook and you're going to insert it into that first stitch. Then you're going to take your yarn, drape it over the crochet hook, just like that, and pull it through. And then you want to chain one. So yarn over and then pull through for a chain. Then take your tail end, which should be on the right side, and then just pull it closed, just like that. All right, so the Picot Stitch is made using just a few stitches. So the first stitch that we need to make is a single crochet, and we'll be making two of those in separate stitches. So to make a single crochet, insert your hook into that first stitch where you added your yarn, and then you're just going to yarn over and pull through, then yarn over and pull through those last two loops for a single crochet. Now go ahead and make another single crochet in the following stitch, and then you want to chain 3. And now you're going to make a slip stitch in the top loop of that second single crochet. So insert your hook underneath that loop, yarn over and pull through. And that's it. So that is your first Picot Stitch. It may not look like a lot now because we have to add our second one, but that is how you make a Picot Stitch. So you're just going to follow that sequence. So you're just going to make 2 single crochets. So here's my first single crochet. Then you're going to make another single crochet. Now you're going to chain 3. And then you're going to work a slip stitch underneath that first loop on the second single crochet. And there you go. Now you've just made another Picot Stitch. So see, you can slowly start to see it form. All right, let's make another one. So make 2 single crochets. 1, 2. Then chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now you're going to make a slip stitch in that top front loop. And there you go. That's all there is to a Picot Stitch border. So I'm just going to make a single crochet here really quickly. Actually, I'll make another one just to show you where we're at. All right. So as you can tell by following the sequence, you have these cute little almost like bobble-like stitches. And then that's it. So all you want to do is just single crochet twice, chain 3, and slip stitch to the top front loop of your second single crochet. And that is how you make a Picot Stitch border. All right, everyone, I really hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to make the Picot Stitch border. This is actually what it'll look like when you finish your first row. And so yeah, it's such a fun stitch to learn. It's very quick as well, and it doesn't require much yarn. So it's definitely not a yarn eater, if you know what I mean. But anyhow, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to save it so you can view it for next time. And don't forget, you can always take a look at the blog post. The link for that will be in the description box below. All right, everyone, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.